Hi, I'm Stephanie Cashman. I'm the Associate Conservator of Objects here at the Milwaukee Art Museum. I am part of our art conservation team that cares for the physical well-being of all of the artworks in our collection. And November 4th is Ask a Conservator Day, so I'm here to answer a few art conservation related questions. So I'm responsible for caring for all of the three-dimensional artworks in our collections. This is anything from cleaning and fixing artworks to getting them ready to go up on display. This includes the physical environments around the objects, anything from relative humidity, temperature, can bugs get to it, down to the types of materials that are in a display case, making sure that they are as safe as possible for the objects in our care. In addition, we also do a lot of research into material techniques and chemical properties behind a lot of our objects. The materials used in our works are incredibly complex, so conservators focus on one area of expertise, such as paintings, paper, or three-dimensional objects like me. And in many times, art objects are a lot of different types of materials all coming together. So take this neck-chan sculpture, for example. It's made out of concrete, lava stone with a metal armature. So it's my job to understand how all of these materials interact with each other both on a physical and a chemical level. And what do I need to do to preserve it for long-term and future generations? So this Carl Andres piece is so cool and so unique in our collection because the artist intended for you to walk on it. But engaging with it in other ways, like sitting on it or touching it, can actually cause a lot of damages, from the metals in your clothing scratching the surface, to the oils in your fingerprints etching metal and attracting dirt and dust and grime. And those are the exact reasons why we don't touch the other art in our collection, because it can cause a lot of damage in a very, very short amount of time. So the biggest challenge I've encountered so far has been installing this massive Sam Gilliam piece. This is a giant painting. All laid out, it's about 77 by 19 feet. So we needed all the help we can get when we were installing it. So we had two people from Gilliam's studio come out to assist us. They taught us how to tie the connection points on the ceiling, how to zhuzh the swags in just the right way to get the desired tableau, and talked to us about the different techniques that were used by the artist when creating this artwork. So on the day in question, we had a team of about a dozen of us all working together to very slowly raise this object up into the ceiling. And it was a truly incredible experience when it finally went up.